Hi, I'm Nirmalya Sengupta. I work for Cisco. I've been associated with Zamindar since 2016, and I just got my cataract surgery done. Got my left eye done on the 15th of October, and the right eye followed on the 28th of October. It was an amazing journey with the proper consultation, me being informed as to what to expect, what not to expect, what precautions to take, and went off like a dream. Really grateful to the doctors and the staff here for making me comfortable. At the end of the day, it felt like it was being with family. That's how you get treated here. Wishing Zamindars all the best, and I know I'll be coming back for my regular checkups, and a great experience in all. And now after the surgery, my vision's almost better than normal. Thank you for everything.